part of your pension, because at the end of the day, we don't know the full cost of what we're going to get for our pensions anyway. So why not have a top up, or save your gold and silver bars, for example, and coins, give them to relatives, for example, leave it as a legacy, for example. There's lots of things that you can do with gold and silver. It is going up at an extraordinary price. You know, it was $2,900 for 1 gold ounce, for example. It's going to be probably $3,000 by the end of this month, for example. And then silver, well, silver is the dark horse. It's coming up like in the race, and it will become a very high cost. So now is the time to get in there, buy it now. It is an investment. It doesn't go down in value either. With gold and silver, it just doesn't go down in value. We can save our money in gold and silver rather than keeping it in the bank, whereby we're not getting much interest from it. You know, what are we getting? 2%, 3% interest? Why not put it in gold, silver? Start saving that way. And then what you can do is that if you need to get the cash out, if you need money for an emergency or a challenge that you may be going through, you'll be able to get the money out. You'll be able to get it out, and it will be yours. You'll be building your own wealth. You'll be building your own legacy. And to top it off, you can store it in a vault, for example, or you can store it in a safe, but just don't tell anyone that that's what you're doing. Store it somewhere away from your home, for example, so that you're not putting yourself at risk at all. You know, because at the end of the day, you don't know what and who's watching you, for example. So bear that in mind. I wanted to shoot this quick video here while I was out on my walk today in beautiful Cyprus, and I really want you to join me in because I'm going to be starting a gold and silver club, scrap gold club. I'm going to be starting that, and I'm also going to be doing a Facebook group, but mainly it will be on YouTube and email and Telegram, where we'll be communicating with one another, and we can also start investing together. For example, gold bars, we can start investing together in gold bars and silver, for example, so that you can then be able to get something. So let's get started on this. Don't leave it to the millionaires and the billionaires. They're building their gold wealth. They're buying millions of tons of gold and silver. Why shouldn't you? It's time for us, for you, to wake up and start doing the same thing, because you will make money from it. Now, I'm not saying that this is a get-rich-quick scheme. This is something that takes time. It takes time to build that wealth, okay? You have to let it build up, stack it up, and then you'll be able to have it valued and think, wow, look what I've achieved. Every time you hold a gold coin, every time you hold a gold bar, every time you hold a silver coin, every time you hold a silver bar, you will feel empowered. For some reason, it gives you that energy, I suppose because it comes from the earth.